Today we will discuss about the pivot and unpivot functionality in a SQL Server. So what is a pivot and unpivot? I will show you by example. Pivot is a converting row values into column, and unpivot is a converting column names into row values. So this is a like a simple definition over here. Data manipulation we do it many times. Okay, but I will show you in Excel how it exactly look like. Okay, so this Excel is I have ready. So if our data is like this, okay, students marks and subject and student subject and marks. If you want to convert this subject into column names like this, okay, then it's called as pivoting. Okay, so you can see subject and marks column will be removed over here, and only student is only one column will be as it is, and remaining columns will be formed by the values from the subject column. Okay, maths, history, and science are the values inside the subject column. Those will be actually column names in a pivoted output. This is called as is the source. This is a pivot output. And reverse of this. If this is our source and this is output, then it's the unpivot. Okay. This is a row value to column names, and this is a column names into record values. Column values. Okay. Column values into column name. Okay. And this is a column name into column values. Did you get? Are you getting a concept? Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll do practically how it happens. Okay. So first we have to create a table like this. Okay, so we have structure ready over here, so I can copy it from here. Okay, create table. Okay, this is a student marks. Okay, okay, 50. And marks will be integer. Okay, or you can say tiny int is also okay. Then we'll insert some few records over here. Insert into okay, student marks values. We can copy it from Excel. All the values like this. Okay, so value will be like this. Three values, and one more record will be for Ramesh or something. We can have this will be for Ratna. Okay, create like this. Okay, okay. Similar for one record for Ramesh, and this will be the same. Okay, so our data will be look like this. Select all from student marks. Okay, and so all we can start replacing these values. Subjects. and mark. So finally, we have prepared data for pivoting. Data will be look like this. We want output like this, okay, like this over here. So column name should be math, history, and science, okay. So what we have to do? First, we have to pivot this query. So I will. This is our input. We'll have example. The syntax you have to remember, okay. So I will show you. I will embed this as a source. Okay. 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 And final result will be like this. Selector. This should be our result. Okay. From this student should be there. Finally, maths, history, and science. From this as source, pivot. Okay. How we can pivot the values? Okay. We can use one aggregate function as here. Okay. Max. Okay. Max or mean average over here. Max of marks. Okay. For subject in, we should know in advance which are the subject we are going to, okay, we are going to pivot. So we have to copy with this maths, this history, and science. So all this will be our pivoted values. So column values will be there. Okay, as a pivoted values. Okay, I will try to run this query. Okay. Maybe we have to run this as it is. We don't need this single quote over here. So okay. So you can see. Okay. Can you see this exactly same? Because values are marks in same for both records. If you change, then we can definitely have different values as well. So we'll insert one more record for Kabir. Okay, we'll add over here something like 35, 36, 35. Okay. Okay. So you can see in output query also, you will see one more record for Kabir. Okay. This will be added over here. Are you getting?